Hello there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today I want to give a huge shout out to one of my favorite skincare brands, The Ordinary. You guys, I know that everyone loves this brand. You're gonna hear about it everywhere. You're gonna see it in the magazines. This is just one of those brands that comes along and you're like, wow, where has this been forever? Why doesn't this already exist? The Ordinary is fantastic. You are going to feel like if you shop with them, you're gonna feel like you are going to school to learn more about skincare. That's exactly what it is. You're gonna learn so much. You're gonna realize that they are offering you just like they're not spending a ton on the packaging and the marketing and all of the fluff. Like they are just focusing on the ingredients that work, and that's what you want. They're able to keep their prices really low. They're able to just provide you with just the good ingredients, none of the stuff that you don't need, none of the fluff, none of the filler, just the stuff that you want. It's going to be pure, it's going to be high quality. I'm just so impressed with them. I'm so impressed that they are really empowering consumers to know what they're putting on their skin and why they're putting it on their skin. So it's an amazing brand. There are a lot of different sets on Amazon that you'll see. This is the Balance set in particular. I think it's really great. That mask is so good, you guys. Their cleanser, first of all, is amazing. You're gonna use it and feel like, wow, it doesn't feel like my skin is stripped or dry. You're gonna feel like you're still, have moisture in your skin. The moisturizer is amazing. I love it. I love their Niacinamide. That is just so good for your skin. If you have any sort of blemishes or anything that you're dealing with, you are going to love it and you're gonna be amazed. You're gonna wake up in the morning like, wow, how, like, that's so cool. I also love their Salicylic Acid mask. That's one of the best that I've ever used. Because I can't say enough good things about The Ordinary. Not just this set, all of their products are great. Their toner is amazing. Their masks are all amazing. I love them. All of their serums are great. Definitely check out their store on Amazon and look at all of their products. Read up on them. You're gonna be so impressed. Definitely go ahead and put this in your cart. Get your skincare on with The Ordinary. They're amazing. You will love it.